Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace brake pads on a BMW X1. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Safely lift your vehicle and secure it on sturdy jack stands. Once the car is stable, remove the wheel to expose the brake caliper assembly. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to disconnect the brake pad wear sensor. This small but important step prevents damage during removal. Then, using the correct wrench, remove the two caliper guide bolts. With these bolts out, you can carefully lift the caliper away from the rotor. Now, the old brake pads are accessible and can be easily slid out of the caliper bracket, making way for the new ones. Before installing the new pads, use a caliper piston compression tool to gently retract the piston back into the caliper housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Now, carefully insert your new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly. Reinstall the brake caliper over the rotor, aligning it properly. Tighten the two guide bolts securely, typically to about 22 foot-pounds. To finish up, reconnect the brake pad wear sensor, ensuring a firm connection. Reinstall the wheel, tightening the lug nuts to the manufacturer's recommended torque, often around 103 foot-pounds. Carefully lower the vehicle from the jack stands. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This action properly seats the new pads against the rotor, ensuring safe and effective braking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.